Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is December 18th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest updates in the world of Tesla, electric vehicles, and the fascinating intersection of technology and innovation. Links to all the stories we discuss can be found in the episode notes. First up, a significant regulatory debate is brewing in the world of autonomous vehicles. President-elect Donald Trump's transition team is pushing to eliminate a National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) rule that requires automakers to report crashes involving automated driving systems. This rule, implemented in 2021, mandates automakers to report incidents within 30 seconds of activating an automated system. Tesla, which has reported the majority of such crashes, has previously raised concerns about how the NHTSA presents this data, arguing it could mislead consumers about Tesla's safety record. Interestingly, while Tesla hasn't openly criticized the rule, the Alliance for Automotive Innovation, representing most automakers except Tesla, has opposed it, citing flaws in the data collection process. With 2,746 crashes reported since the rule's inception, Tesla accounts for 57% of these incidents. The transition team's recommendations aim to relax regulations to encourage innovation in the autonomous vehicle space, but this move could spark debates about safety and transparency. Shifting gears to Hyundai, the South Korean automaker is making waves in the US electric vehicle market. Hyundai has opened a massive $7.6 billion factory in Georgia, the largest economic development project in the state's history. This facility, dubbed the Meta Plant, will produce popular EV models like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and future innovations, supported by an on-site battery plant. Hyundai's investment is strategically aimed at qualifying for tax credits under the Inflation Reduction Act, making its EVs more appealing to American consumers. However, the future of these tax credits is uncertain, as President-elect Trump has signaled intentions to eliminate them. This could potentially slow EV adoption and shift preferences back to traditional gas-powered vehicles. Despite these challenges, Hyundai is positioning itself as a strong competitor to Tesla, offering a diverse lineup of affordable and feature-rich EVs, including spacious options like the Kia EV9. By leveraging US-based manufacturing, Hyundai aims to keep costs low and maintain its competitive edge, even in a shifting regulatory landscape. Now let's talk about Tesla's ongoing hardware challenges. Tesla is facing significant issues with its latest self-driving computer, the HW4 system, also known internally as AI 4.1. Reports from customers indicate widespread failures, including short-circuiting that disables critical systems like active safety features, cameras, GPS, and navigation. These malfunctions often occur within the first few hundred miles of driving. Tesla's service centers are overwhelmed with complaints, and the company has yet to issue a formal service bulletin or recall. Insiders claim that service staff have been instructed to downplay safety concerns, which has only added to customer frustration. The root cause of the issue may lie in the low-voltage battery, which could be triggering electrical failures during camera calibration. As Tesla pushes to deliver a record number of vehicles by year-end, these technical setbacks are a significant hurdle. Potential fixes include replacing the faulty hardware or implementing a temporary software patch, but the timeline for resolution remains unclear. In related news, Tesla has officially rolled out its full self-driving FSD supervised V13 update for vehicles equipped with the HW4 system. CEO Elon Musk has described the update as mind-blowing, though similar claims have been made for previous updates. After delays, the latest version, V13.2.1, is now available to customers with the newest hardware. Meanwhile, older HU3-equipped vehicles are set to receive an update, V12.6, by the end of the year, though these systems are nearing their operational limits. While Tesla enthusiasts are excited about the advancements, skepticism remains about how close the technology is to achieving fully unsupervised driving, a goal Musk has promised annually for the past 5 years. The update highlights Tesla's ongoing efforts to refine its self-driving capabilities, even as challenges with hardware reliability persist. Finally, let's take a step back in time to explore the fascinating legacy of Nikola Tesla. In the 1930s, the once revered inventor faced financial hardship and declining health, living in hotels and making eccentric claims, including the invention of a death ray. This supposed weapon, capable of shooting down airplanes from 250 miles away, captured public imagination as World War II loomed. After Tesla's death in 1943, the US government scrambled to secure his papers, fearing they might fall into Nazi hands. However, an MIT expert later deemed the death ray concept speculative and lacking practical feasibility. Despite this, Tesla's name continued to inspire military projects, including the Cold War-era Project Nick and the Reagan administration's Strategic Defense Initiative, also known as Star Wars. While these programs failed to yield tangible results, they underscore the enduring allure of Tesla's visionary ideas, even as skepticism about their practicality remains. That wraps up today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. From regulatory debates to hardware challenges and the enduring legacy of Nikola Tesla, there's always something fascinating happening in the world of technology and innovation. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.